Dit gaan goed, dankie Tokelo. Goed. Môre almal. Morning everybody. Is daar van julle wat vandag wil hallo sê voor ons begin? Is there any of you that quickly want to say hi before we start? Hallo Jocelyn. Is there anybody that quickly wants to say hello before we start? Is daar enige van julle wat gou-gou wil hallo sê voor ons begin? Lyk my julle kry net so koud soos ek. Is there anybody that quickly wants to say hello before we start? We have a minute so everybody can join. Mallory, ek unmute jou.
Hallo Jara, hallo juffrou.
Hoe gaan dit met jou?
Goed en jy?
Goed, dankie Mallory.
Ma'am, before we start, I just want you to know that I actually did do my homework. I was just unable to send it to you.
Okay, it's fine. You can send it to me today, it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Dankie.
Thank you, juffrou.
Okay. Goed, môre almal. Morning everybody. Soos Mallory nou gesê het, as daar van julle is wat julle huiswerk klaar gemaak het, stuur dit asseblief vir my vandag. Please send it to me today so I can check it. Dan kan ek seker maak dis reg. Goed. Piwa, ek kan mute jou.
Môre juffrou.
Môre Piwa, hoe gaan dit?
En jy?
Goed, dankie Piwa.
Dankie juffrou.
Môre Kamagelo, ek sien jy het ook hallo gesê. Goed. Ek is so bly om almal van julle weer te sien. I'm so happy to see you guys. Goed, vandag se les gaan ons die toets bespreek van volgende week. We are writing a test next week, the 22nd of July. Volgende week, die 22ste Julie, gaan ons 'n toets skryf. Ek het gister begin om die toetse op te stel. I started setting up the test yesterday. Goed, so vandag gaan ons praat bietjie oor die formaat van die toets en wat jy kan verwag. Today we're going to talk about what to expect in your tests. Good. It's going in for moderation today, so there might be one or two slight changes, but nothing major. What you can expect is what I'm going to show you today. Goed. Hierdie is ons formaat. Dit is hoe die toets gaan lyk. This is how the test is going to look like. Dis presies wat jy kan verwag. Ons is graad 6, dis informele assessering, 22 Julie 2020. Die punte is 40, it's 40 marks. The time you have to write the test is 1 hour. En die toets bestaan uit 3 afdelings. Afdeling A is 'n begripstoets. Afdeling B is taalleer. Afdeling C is 'n visuele teks, dis die grafiek of die tabel wat ons gedoen het. Piwa, I'm going to unmute you. Yes,
Ma'am?
Ma'am,
how are we gonna write a test in 1 hour if the lesson is like 45 or 46 minutes?
Piwa, anytime after 12 o'clock on Wednesday, you're going to go onto the website and download the test. Then you're going to do it at home.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Piwa. We're not doing it in the lessons time. We're going to have our lessons the normal time. So if you have questions before the test, you will be able to ask them. Okay. Oukies, ek vra vir julle. Julle moet die toets so ver as moontlik eerlik beantwoord. You're going to do the test at home. Please, please, please answer it as honestly as possible. The purpose of doing a test is to see if you are understanding the work. Dit is om te sien of verstaan julle die werk wat ons behandel het. As jy iets verkeerd het, if you do something wrong, I know where to help you. But if you don't answer the questions honestly, then I won't be able to help you if you struggle with something. Okay, so ek wil julle graag aanmoedig om asseblief die toets so ver as moontlik eerlik te antwoord. Goed. So ons eerste afdeling, the first section will be a comprehension test, is 'n begripstoets en hy tel 10 punte. Môre Kia. En hy tel 10 punte. Die volgende afdeling is taalleer, hy tel 20 punte. Afdeling C is 'n visuele teks. Julle gaan 'n grafiek of 'n tabel doen. Ons het 'n hele les. We've done a whole lesson op die grafiek en op die tabel. We've done both of those. Goed, so dit is nie so moeilik nie. Guys, you don't have to be nervous for the test. It's all of the work that we have covered so far. So if you go and you study at home, you're going to be fine. Don't feel stressed about the test. And if you are too shy to ask in class and you have questions, please email me. I don't mind. I don't mind answering. Okay. Mukona, I'm quickly going to do the questions with you guys so you can understand today. Okay. Goed, oukies, laat ek gou vir julle sê. If there is, you must look at the marks next to the question. Julle moet kyk na die punte wat ek gee langs elke vraag. If I allocate 1 mark to the question, you must write 1 fact or 1 sentence or 1 word or whatever I'm asking. If I'm allocating 2 marks to the question, you must write 2 facts, 2 sentences or 2 words depending on what I'm answering. Please look at the marks to make sure you write enough so I can give you full marks. If I'm asking for something and you only give me 1 word, and it's two marks, I will only able to give you 1 mark. So make sure you write enough so I can give you all of the marks. Okay. Good. If you would like, quickly write this down. Just send me a quick yes if you are fine and we can go on. Quickly write this down. If you are done, quickly send me a yes so I can move on, please. Okay, it looks like most of you are done. Okay, Makuna, I'm quickly going to wait for a moment for you. Kia, I see you put to go slower. What is there anything you want me to explain? Is there anything you want me to repeat for you? Okay. Okay, Kia. This is what your test is going to look like. Okay. So basically, I'm going to ask you, you're going to have 40 marks in your test. It's going to be 1 hour, the duration of the test that you have. And we're going to have 3 sections. You're going to do a begripstoets, a comprehension test. You're going to do taalleer, a language, and a visual text. That's going to be a graph or a table. Ja, of 'n tabel. Julle gaan vir my 10 punte antwoord uit jou visuele teks uit. Okay, so this is basically what you can expect the test is going to look like. This is only the structure of the test. Okay. Good. Then we're quickly going to move on. Before we get to these, I want to do the questions first. Okay. Guys, you can write this down quickly. Hierdie is die tipe vrae wat jy kan verwag. These are the types of question that you can expect. At the moment, all of the questions is in Afrikaans, so I would like to explain them to you so you would know what to do. Okay. Goed. My eerste vraag, the first type of question is, omkring die woord in die volgende sinne. Circle the correct word in the following sentences. So, basically that means I'm going to give you a sentence. For example, I'm going to say, die kind eet roomys. If you see in the chat, I'm going to say, example, die kind eet roomys. Dan gaan ek vir jou vra, omkring die selfstandige naamwoord in daai sin. Wat is die selfstandige naamwoord in daai sin? Quickly type it so I can see. Skryf vir my gou-gou julle selfstandige naamwoorde in daai sin. Kia, I will give you a, is it, okay. Guys, I'm quickly moving on, otherwise we're not going to get finished with everything. At the end of this lesson, I will ask which slides I need to go back to, and I will give you a moment to write it down again. Okay, so if there's any slides that you missed at the end of the lesson, we can go back to them. Good. Goed. So, as ek vir julle vra omkring die woord in die volgende sinne, then I'm going to give you a sentence like the one in the chat that says, die kind eet die roomys. Dan sal ek vir julle vra, omkring vir my die selfstandige naamwoord. Then you must circle the noun. Sê 'n bietjie vir my, in die sin van my, die kind eet roomys, watter woord is 'n selfstandige naamwoord? Which one of those words are a noun? Dan skryf julle dit gou vir my. Can you quickly type it so I can see? Julle is stil vanoggend. Goed, dan gaan ek dit gou aanbeweeg. As ek sê die kind eet roomys, dan gaan ek vir jou vra, omkring vir my die selfstandige naamwoord. Dan gaan jy kind en roomys omkring, want dit gaan ons selfstandige naamwoorde wees. As ek vra omkring die woord, I'm going to give you the sentence and ask you which word you must circle. In order to be able to do that, you're going to have to learn the language. Okay. Die volgende een is, skryf sinne met die volgende woord. Write sentences with the following word. I'm going to give you words like a verb. Ek gaan jou vra, skryf vir my 'n sin met 'n werkwoord. Then you can write me a sentence like, sy speel met haar pop. Because speel gaan ons werkwoord wees. Die hond eet die kos, dan gaan dit eet wees. Okay, so the next one is, dit kan julle verwag, is skryf die sinne met die volgende woorde. So dan gaan ek vir jou die woord gee, I will give you the word you must use, and then you write a sentence with it. Die volgende tipe vraag is, omkring die korrekte antwoord. Circle the correct answer. The short version of this question is, it's a multi-choice question. It's very easy. I'm going to give you a statement and you must look at the answers and circle the correct one. It's going to be a multi-choice. Good. Die beantwoord die vraag is plain and simple, answer the questions. I'm going to ask that in the comprehension. Tokela, I'm going to unmute you.
No, ma'am, I just wanted to make an example. Instead of saying done, I meant to say die hond eet die kos.
Well, okay. There's 100% Tokela. You are also right. I'm just quickly showing you guys what to expect in the test.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Tokela. Dankie dat jy so mooi antwoord. Julle is oulik. Goed. Hierdie is die tipe vraag wat julle kan verwag. This last one, answer the questions, beantwoord die vraag. Onthou, in die begripstoets is al die antwoorde in die leesstuk. Al die antwoorde gaan jy in die leesstuk kry. So, vir die begripstoets moet jy gaan kyk in jou leesstuk en die vraag antwoord. So this is the type of questions you can expect from the test. Are you all done writing it down? Can we quickly move on to the next slide? Just send me a quick yes so I can see. Okay, Kia, I'm going to wait a minute for you. Okay. Just send me a quick yes. So this is so you know what to expect. Dit is dat julle weet wat se tipe vraag gaan ek vra. So this is just so I can explain to you what this means. As daar staan omskring die woord in die volgende sinne, gaan daar it means circle the correct word in the following sentences. Kia, are you also finished now? Okay, good. It looks like most of you are finished. Okay, as I was saying earlier, at the end of the lesson, if there's any slide that you did not finish writing or that you missed, we're going to come back to them. You can just ask me after the lesson. Okay, goed. Hierdie is al die woorde. This is all the language that we've covered. This slide and this slide is the words that we've covered so far in the week and a half, 2 weeks that we have been to class. This is what the language section is going to consist of. Hierdie is presies waaroor die taalgedeelte gaan. If you go home and you study this and you study this, you're not going to have a problem to answer the questions. Dan gaan julle nie 'n probleem hê om die antwoorde te antwoord nie. If you study this and this, you're going to do fine in the language section. Goed, dis baie maklik. Dit is wat ons nog elke dag doen. We do this almost every day. Maar ek wil graag hê julle moet mooi kyk na die betekenisse, want as ek julle vra in die toets, is dit wat julle kan verwag. This is what you guys can expect from the language section. Antonieme, 2 verskillende woorde met teenoorgestelde betekenisse. Sinonieme, 2 verskillende woorde met dieselfde met dieselfde betekenis. Goed, 'n werkwoord verwys na iets wat ek doen. 'n Bywoord vertel jou meer van die werkwoord. Selfstandige naamwoorde verwys na iets wat jy kan sien en voel. 'n Byvoeglike naamwoord vertel ons meer van die selfstandige naamwoord. Quickly take a picture, skryf dit neer. Hierdie is belangrik. This is important. Take it down quickly, please. Skryf dit neer. Neem 'n foto en stuur vir my 'n yes as jy klaar is. Mallory, ek gaan jou unmute. Ek wil jou nie unmute nie, Mallory. Okay, Piwa, ek unmute jou. Okay, daar is hy nou af. Goed. Okay, Kia, ek unmute jou.
Baie dankie mevrou.
Dankie, Kia.
I wanted to ask, is it me or is it that you are glitching, ma'am?
I did ask the host. She says I'm not glitching on her side, so please just quickly check your internet connection for me, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Kia. Okay. If you are finished, quickly give me a yes or a done so we can move on, please, guys. Mallory, I'm unmuting you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
may you please go to the next slide for these words here? I quickly want to take a screenshot.
100%. I was just waiting for everybody to finish, but I'm going on now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Dankie. Goed. Dit lyk asof almal redelik klaar is. It looks like most of you guys are finished. I'm going on to the next slide. Dit is ons voegwoorde. You know, guys, if I ask something like the conjunction, the ideal way to ask this is to give two sentences and ask you to put them together with a conjunction. Die ideale manier om so woord te vat in 'n toets is om twee sinne te vat en te vra, heg hulle of voeg hulle bymekaar met 'n voegwoord. So I can give you two separate sentences soos ek speel, maar ek moet huiswerk doen. So ek kan vir jou sê ek speel, punt, ek moet huiswerk doen, punt. Sit hulle bymekaar deur gebruik maak van 'n voegwoord. That would be an example of a question I can ask of a conjunction. Dit is maar wat ons in die klas gedoen het, so dit is nie so moeilik hier. This is the basic things we did in class. Ek wil graag hê, I would like you guys to look at these two, homofoon en 'n homoniem. Moet julle mooi lees, read carefully, look closely na homofoon en 'n homoniem. Die verskil tussen die twee is, homofoon klink dieselfde, maar die spelling en die betekenis is verskillend. The difference is, it's two words that sound the same, but the spelling and the meaning is different. A homoniem is two words that's spelled the same and sounds the same, but only the meaning is different. So please look closely at these two. Kyk mooi na die twee. Hierdie is nogals maklik om mee die mekaar te raak. It's easy to get confused by the two. Okay, so kyk mooi na die twee, hoor. Just send me a yes or a done so I know when you are finished with the slides. Okay, I'm giving you guys one more minute. Okay, good. Is there any slide that I need to go back to for you guys? Is daar enige skyfie waartoe ek moet teruggaan vir julle? The first, okay, I'm quickly going back to the first slide. Okay, I'm going to give you guys 3 minutes to quickly write this one down. It's 11:26. 11:29, I'm going to the next slide. If you have missed any of the slides, please just send me a message so I can see. Okay, make sure if there's any of the other slides you want to know or want to review or see. As daar een van die ander skyfies is wat julle gemis het, skryf dit gou vir my neer dat ons kan teruggaan daarna toe. Okay, I'm going to give one more. Okay, ek dink ons kan maar aanbeweeg. It's been 2 minutes now. Goed, so, hierdie is die formaat van die toets. On Wednesday, op woensdag 22 Julie, na 12, enige tyd na 12, anytime after 12, you can go onto the website and download the test. And do it as honestly as possible. Doen dit asseblief so eerlik as wat jy kan. Onthou, as jy hulp het, if you have help from somebody, I can't help you if you are struggling and I don't know it. So as jy 'n fout in 'n toets maak, kan ek jou altyd help. Goed. So dit is wat jy kan verwag. This is what the test is going to look like, basically. Is there anybody that wants to still write down some of these? Please go look at the definitions and go look at the examples. If you are able to do this, if you know this, you're going to do fine in the language section. Hierdie is waaroor die taalgedeelte gaan, die taalafdeling. As jy hierdie kan doen, gaan jy goed doen in die taalafdeling. Is daar nog enige van julle wat hierheen wil skryf? Mallory, ek gaan jou unmute.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask how it would look like in section C.
Section C, I'm going to gaan ek vir jou 'n tabel gee. Tomorrow we're going to do section A and C. Môre gaan ons ek gaan vir jou 'n tabel gee. You remember we did like the graph and I asked you questions about the graph.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be something like that. Ek sal 'n grafiek gee en vragies vra daaroor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Dankie, Mallory. Goed. So as jy hierdie geleer het, if you have studied all of this and this, you're going to do fine in the language section. As jy hierdie geleer het, behoort jy goed te doen in die taalafdeling. Is daar enige vrae oor die tipe vraag? Is there any questions about the type of questions I'm asking? Kia, ek hou van jou voorbeelde. Kia, I'm liking your examples in the chat box. Is daar enige vrae oor die tipe Mooi Kia. Is daar enige vrae oor die tipe antwoorde? Is there any questions about the types of answers? Okay. So this will be the type of answers. This is the language section, and that would be the what to expect from the test. Is there any of ek wil graag vir julle vra om julle huiswerk vir my te stuur. There is, I would like to ask you guys to please send me yesterday's homework. A lot of you haven't sent it yet. So please send me the homework. Biwa, ek unmute jou.
Ma'am, can I read this?
Yes, we are going to read now. You can choose one.
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to choose as booty part.
Okay.
As booty part is alles nat. Wat in die kamer staan. Die waterspat en boeg tot teen die trampel aan. Die kat dra gou haar kleintjies weg. En Susie gryp haar pop. Ou wagter loer net een slag skyns en so die tentjie op.
Baie mooi. Baie mooi.
Dankie juffrou. En juffrou?
Ja.
I wanted to tell you that I did my homework, but I'm not sure how to send it to you.
Okay, let me quickly just put my email in the chat, and you can ask your mom, or if you have email, you can just mail it to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, remember, if you do something wrong in the homework, just send it to me anyways, because then I can help you. Okay, Mallory, ek gaan jou unmute. Dis sy.
Die virus in China het alles kom verander. Vir my en juffrou, maar ook vir die ander. Ons moes skielik die skool toemaak om ons te beskerm teen die virus te raak.
Baie oulik. Dankie.
Dankie juffrou.
Okay, Kia.
Baie dankie mevrou.
Dankie, Kia.
Wippe en snippe. Wippe en snippe loer jy by 'n gatjie. Wip is 'n meisie en snip is 'n matjie. Wippe en snippe, daar kom die groot kat. Woord is die meisies wie, daar rag in die gat.
Baie mooi, dankie, Kia.
Mevrou,
Mm.
I also wanted to tell you that there's some rhyming words.
Yes, wys my bietjie waar is die rymwoorde.
Kat en gat.
Maatjie en gaatjie, baie oulik. En nog, o, hier is hy kat en gat. Oulik.
Yes.
And the other word?
Gatjie en matjie.
Okay, and the other words? Do you see them?
Yeah, I think it's snip and snipper. I don't know.
There's wippie en snippie.
Oh, Wippie
Ja.
and Snappy.
Ja, dankie Kia.
Dankie mevrou.
Kamagelo, ek gaan jou unmute.
Dankie juffrou.
Dankie Kamagelo.
Oom olifant. Jou reësdier. Die mense lag vir hulle plezier. Want waar het jy al ooit gehoor van 'n stertjie van agter en 'n stert van voor?
Baie oulik, Kamagelo. Ek wil net gou vir jou wys, as hierdie twee saam staan, maak hy 'n I geluid. So dit gaan wees, oom olifant, jou reuse dier. Sien jy, Kamagelo?
Dankie juffrou.
Maar wil jy hom gou weer vir my lees?
I found some rhyming words.
Okay, show me the rhyming words also.
Heer, dier en plesier.
Oulik, dier plesier. Baie mooi.
En gehoor en voor.
Gehoor en voor. Oulik, dankie Kamagelo.
Dankie juffrou.
Kyk, Kia, ek gaan jou unmute.
Dankie mevrou.
Dankie, Kia.
I wanted to read as Boetie Bad.
Okay, lees vir ons.
As Boetie Bad is Alice-nat, wat in die kamer staan, die waterspat in briefboog, toe dien die drombel aan, die kat dra gou haar kleentjies weg, en sussie kruip haar poep, ou vogteer loer net een slag skoens, ek soek die tweentjie op.
Baie mooi, dankie Kia.
Dankie mevrou, and there is also rhyming words in this one.
Okay, quickly give them to me.
Staan en aan.
Mooi, staan en aan. En nog?
And let me see. There's there's popping. No, I don't see.
Mooi. Dankie Kia.
Dankie mevrou.
Goed, is daar nog van julle wat graag vir ons wil lees? Sorry. Is there anybody that would like to read, Kia? Wil jy nog lees? I'm unmuting you.
Baie dankie mevrou.
Dankie Kia.
Die virus van China het Alice kom verander vir my en juffrou, maar ook vir die ander ons moes skielik die skool te maak, om ons te beskerm teen die virus draak.
Baie mooi. Sien jy enige rymwoorde, Kia?
Yes, verander en ander en
Mooi.
maak en draak.
Baie mooi. Dankie Kia.
Dankie mevrou.
Goed, is daar nog iemand wat graag vir ons wil lees? Is there anybody else that would like to read to us?
Baie dankie mevrou.
Dankie Kia.
Olifant. Olifant jou russe deur. Die mense lag vir huil plese. Want waar het jy al ooit gehoor van 'n stertjie van agter en 'n stert van voor?
Baie mooi.
The rainbow.
Quickly read this word for me. Plesier.
Plesier.
Mooi. Okay. En die rymwoorde?
Deur en vir. And mens. Oh wait, and there's also van en voor.
Kyk bietjie mooi. Dier en
Oh, please.
plesier.
Plesier.
Mooi. Dis hy.
Dankie mevrou.
Dankie Kia. Okay, Piwa, ek unmute jou.
Die virus in China het alles veranderd. Vir my en juffrou, maar ook vir die ander. Ons moes skielik die skool toemaak om ons te beskerm teen die virus draak.
Baie mooi.
Dankie juffrou.
Dankie Piwa. Tokelo, ek unmute jou.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I please read Wappie and Snappy?
Yes, jy kan vir ons lees, Wippie en Snippie.
Wippie en Snippie loer uit by gegeet vir is Messia en Snappy is sy Martie. Wippie en Snippie, daar kom die groot kat. Vir is die mense verteer in die goed.
In die gat.
In die gat.
Mooi. Sê bietjie vir my daai woord, woords.
Woords.
Mooi. If they own the e's together, it makes an oe sound. So dis woords.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Oh, sê dankie Tokelo.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So, kortliks. Dit is wat ons toets gaan lyk. Hoe ons toets gaan lyk Woensdag. Dit is die struktuur van die toets. Hierdie is wat belangrik is in die taalafdeling. This is what's important in the language section. And this is the type of questions you can expect. If you want to know anything, if you wanted to ask something, then you are more than welcome to send me an email. For the last time, I'm going to put my email in the chat box. Please send me your homework from yesterday. En dan hoop ek julle het 'n baie lekker dag. Dit was lekker om weer bietjie met julle te gesels en saam met julle te lees en werk te doen. Ek hoop julle het 'n lekker dag. Bye.